So this is what the entire kit comes with. We have the rear windshield, instruction manual, this little weather stripping, or like, I actually don't know what that's used for. Nuts and bolts, 3 brackets, 2 more brackets, weather stripping. I think this is some kind of piece that helps install. I actually don't know what that's for, but that's what's in this whole kit. So I'm going to review this instruction manual, and we're going to try to figure this out, and we will get to installing this very soon. Time to remove the protective film. This is the satisfying part. Yeah, gotta love that. Oh, there's a garbage pile over there. Pretty sure there's another one on this side, or is there? Okay, I got all the protective plastic off of it. I had to find a lid for the other side so I could peel it back. But these vents on the back are sweet. I did not know they moved. So you can adjust them, and you can open them, have them open or close. That's really awesome. I didn't actually know that's what they did. I just thought they were permanently vented, but you can open and close them as you so wish. So that is awesome. So I've been looking over at the instructions, and I think I know how this is going to go. So I need to put this piece, open this piece. No, I can't do it with one hand. 1 second. So on the back side of the windshield, with the vent adjusters facing down, these little knobs should be facing down. I'm going to grab this black piece. I'm going to put it on the bottom of the windshield, like this. I'm going to grab a bolt and nut and washer. I'm going to get one of these started. Put this in right here. Alright, I got my 4mm Allen wrench and my 10mm wrench. So I'm going to get all these bolts started, and then we'll continue after that. I'm going to do this off camera just because it's so simple. Just like that. I'm going to get these started and installed, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I got those 4 bolts tightened up, and that is installed. I left them a little bit loose, just a little bit in case I need to adjust it before I actually mount it to the side by side. Okay, so the next step is to install this weather strip around the windshield itself. So the instructions do say we may have to cut it a little bit if needed, but hopefully we don't have to. But if we do, it's okay. I have scissors. Flat edge goes towards the back of the machine. So the way I have it right now, it's going to go just like this. The flat part goes on here. And this is what it's looking like now. You got the weather strip installed all the way around. Beautiful, beautiful. So what's the next step? Next step is to mount the brackets up. So we got the lower ones and the upper ones. So let's go bolt and washer ready. I'll lift this thing up. Let's go ahead and get it started through the hole. So it's going to go just like that. We're not going to tighten this all the way yet. We're going to wait until this is on the machine. So I got the lower mounts / brackets installed. They are loose for now. I'm going to wait until they're in the machine and tighten them up later. But now it's time to do the upper brackets. Let's see how these go. The upper brackets are installed. I did leave them loose like the lower ones. That way I can tighten them up when they're in the machine and ready to mount. I'm installing this last weather strip here on the bottom of this black piece. Just slides into the groove. Very easy. These corners kind of suck, but you just got to bend them. Bend them in the best you can. I want to hook those lower brackets into that bar. So I'm going to get one side started here. I'm going to tighten up this Allen head. It looks so good. Just look at it. I love the vents. Let's test out these vents real quick. You just loosen up this nut, and you can slide it open or slide it closed. Super cool. That's super, super cool. So let's go on a test drive, and let's check it out.